invisible doors open, and the path reveals itself from within the darkness. Trust means allowing life to take you wherever it wants, without fear. Trust means believing before you see evidence. Life is a mystery to be lived, not a problem to be solved. When you let life flow through you, you become one with the divine. Surrender means saying yes to the present moment. Whenever you are silent, you can hear the voice of God. If you dance with life, everything falls into harmony. Even darkness becomes